In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change the currency in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you've recently moved your business to a different country or you're expanding your client base internationally, adjusting the currency settings in Acuity is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your Acuity dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left navigation menu for the payments option. Clicking on payments will take you to the section where you can manage all your financial settings within Acuity. And this is where you'll make the necessary changes to the currency settings. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Currency. This is where you can select the currency that best suits your business needs. Maybe you're switching from USD to Euros, or perhaps you're opting for British pounds. Whatever your choice, this drop-down menu provides a comprehensive list of currencies to choose from, allowing you to tailor your settings to your specific business requirements. It's important to select the correct currency as this will affect how your clients are billed and how payments are processed. After you've selected your preferred currency, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find the Save button. Clicking Save is crucial as it finalizes your changes and updates your account settings. Without saving, any adjustments you make won't be applied, and you'll need to go through the process again. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the currency in Acuity Scheduling. This adjustment ensures that your billing aligns with your current business operations, making transactions smoother for both you and your clients. And remember, keeping your financial settings up to date is an essential part of managing your business efficiently. With Acuity's user-friendly interface, making changes like these is both quick and easy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Acuity support resources are always available to help you out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your scheduling.